Without software, hardware would just be a pile of metal, not knowing what to do. Software is really the lifeblood of computers. It's really what tells that hardware, hey, I want to solve this specific problem in this specific way. So we're going to explore the different types of software. We saw with read-only memory, that's where the operating system or system software is stored. But at its core, all software has one thing in common. It's just a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. We'll look at the two main categories of software: system software and application software. So they have a lot of differences, but again, at its core, they're just instructions telling the computer, hey, I want you to solve this problem or that problem. So software can be installed on computers. We'll discuss what installing means. But just to bring this into context, some software you might be familiar with, for example, there's productivity software, that's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. There's internet browsers. All of you are probably really familiar with at least one of these: Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Social media, a lot of my young students are probably really, really familiar with these: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok. And this is just review from our intro lesson, right? Of what software is. Of course, we're going to take a much deeper dive in this lesson. So, again, software are the instructions that bring a computer's hardware to life. If the hardware is the body, the software is the mind. So, software includes all the programs, apps, and instructions that control the computer's operations. Again, without software, hardware would just be a bunch of metal that doesn't know what to do. So software does allow users to control and interact with hardware to carry out those tasks, right, that are important to us, such as browsing the web, writing documents, playing games, and so forth. If you become a programmer, you can actually create your own custom software, right, to tell the computer to do really specific things. That's what I did for 2 years as a full stack developer, was create programs that would solve very, very specific problems, really, really difficult ones too, in the area of space domain awareness, right? We're working with telescope data and so forth. So software can be installed from the web or locally from a physical drive. So you can download it from a CD. That's since mostly gone out of fashion. Most of these days, if you're downloading software, it is from the internet. System software is usually already installed when you get your computer. Application software, on the other hand, that's one that you really, the user installs because you want to add some kind of new feature, right? Maybe Photoshop so you can edit your pictures, maybe Instagram, right? So you can chat with your friends, Chrome, right? So you can surf the web and so forth. So let's take a more detailed look at these different types of software, right? We've been talking about system and application software, but we haven't really discussed the differences.